Blockchain technology is a decentralized digital ledger system that securely records transactions across a distributed network of computers. It works through the following steps. Transactions, such as the transfer of cryptocurrency or digital data, are grouped into units called blocks. Each block contains a list of recent transactions, a timestamp, and a unique identifier known as a hash. Once a block is filled with data, it's cryptographically linked to the previous block, creating a chain of blocks, hence the term blockchain. Each new block references the hash of the previous one, forming an unalterable chain of records. Altering a single block would require modifying all subsequent blocks, making unauthorized changes nearly impossible. Unlike traditional databases that are stored in one central location, blockchain operates on a decentralized network. Each computer or node in the network has a copy of the entire blockchain. This means every transaction is visible to all participants, ensuring transparency and reducing the risk of tampering. To add a new block to the chain, the network must agree on its validity. This is achieved through consensus mechanisms, such as proof of work, POW, or proof of stake, POS. In POW, miners compete to solve complex puzzles to validate a block. In POS, validators are chosen based on their stake or ownership in the cryptocurrency. These mechanisms prevent malicious actors from corrupting the ledger. Once a block is added, it is virtually immutable, meaning data cannot be changed or deleted without altering every subsequent block. This characteristic, along with decentralized consensus, provides blockchain with a high level of security. Blockchain's transparency, security, and trustless nature make it ideal for applications beyond finance, such as supply chains, voting, and digital identity.